Welcome to Perfect Diction with Aderunke. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to make the diphthong sounds. Have you ever wondered why the word boy and bar make different vowel sounds? Stick around, because by the end of this lesson, you're going to master the English diphthongs. Diphthongs. What are they? Diphthongs are special vowel sounds that glide from one vowel to another within the same syllable. Unlike monotones, diphthongs start from one vowel sound and smoothly transition into another. This is why they are sometimes called gliding vowels. There are 8 main diphthongs in English, and in this lesson, I am going to break them down with examples and pronunciation tips. These are the 8 main diphthongs in English. Each diphthong combines 2 vowel sounds, so pay attention to the movement of the mouth as you pronounce them. I, Y, I, white, right, poor, mature, tour, sure, aim, name, eight, lazy, baby, owl, hour, brown, around, announce, oh, foe, throat, close, bloat, oi, boy, oyster, boy, royal, ear, beer, idea, here, fear, hair, aware, hair, scare, share. You can play that again and repeat after me. Let me know in the comment section which diphthong was difficult for you. Let's take a look at some practice sentences. Uo. He is now mature. The family is poor. That is the tour guide. I got the flower a while ago. A. I played and ate cake. The food is tasty. The maid ate bread. It rained for 8 days. I. Her right eye is bright. The tree is slightly higher. I buy into your idea. My life is quite easy. Ow. He has been around for hours. They live downtown near the clown. The brown cow nearly drowned. It was announced loudly. Here, I am not aware of it. You scared me. Bring the chair here. Would you like to share? Oh, I feel bloated. My throat hurts. The phone is opposing. That was close. Oi. I enjoy the oysters. The boy is annoyed. He has a big goiter. The boy is from a royal home. You can play that again and repeat after me. Let me know in the comment section which sentence was difficult for you. That's it for today's lesson. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome English tips. Until next time, keep practicing.